Army, Navy and Air Force also every year participate, which we always invite them. They are our invitees because we have to honor the service people.
So during the route, we always focus more on the advocacy as well, where we see to it the traffic regulations are being followed, and whenever we are doing this kind of an event, we always take the permissions of police, where we involve them as a partner, as a collaborative event. So it gives more support and easier for the safety for us. Like we involve the ambulance, we involve all the medical zones in the sense of hospitals. So it's not about the race, which I've already said it, but it's about the safety during the event. If anything happened, so we don't need to run. We have an associated team, and the follow up is being done. So we have a participants also from last several year. So Beena Shah is one of the one who is a COC, the clerk of the course, and I guess they'll be. You can ask them questions because they have participated, but this year she's not participating. So we have Pooja also. So Pooja, I guess he was very excited why you all are not doing for men also. Because TSD is not an easy job. It's about you have to calculate you have to get the idle time. So you don't need to run on the road. You have to calculate your certain regulation, which we have a formulas. You have to follow that, and you have to reach with that particular average speed. You have to find. You have to focus the kilometers which we have given it with the what are the main things which we are missing it out, I guess.
One TC to another TC.